Hey everybody, I hope you're doing wonderful. I'm Jacob, and in today's video, I'm going to share my dividend income for the month of June in 2023. And if you don't already know, I like to share my dividend income every single month from my stock portfolio in an effort to be as transparent as possible about stock investing and hopefully inspire some of you to get started on your own journeys as well. I personally believe that investing in things like the stock market is a really great way to achieve financial freedom at some point in your life, and if you do it right, you can see really good results. So just a quick overview of the portfolio so far. It's valued at about $31,500 with a total gain of just over $7,000, which puts us at a return of about 45%. Now, the past month has been pretty well. This portfolio is up about $1,100 or just shy of 4%. And the best performing sector by far, at least in this portfolio, is the tech sector. You can see up over 6% here, so we'll just dive in and see what we got. So Apple and Broadcom had pretty good months. Tesla had a really great month, up 28%, just absolutely insane. And then the lowest performing sector was real estate, most things hovering around that 1 to 2% range. And we even had a couple of losses in there as well. Now, I don't make changes to my portfolio very often, but I did sell off some holdings here and I bought some new ones. Primarily, I sold Asana, Amazon, and Disney. Now, these are all companies that just haven't performed very well for me. They were all in the red, some by a little, some by a lot. And while I don't think these are bad companies by any means, I love Asana, I love Amazon, I think Disney's a really unique company. But as an investor, I felt like it was just time to let these companies go and bring in some new ones. And what I brought in was Fastenal and Texas Instruments. And one of the main reasons I chose these two companies is because I feel like they're a really good mix between growth from a capital gains perspective and also dividend growth, the rate at which they increase their dividends year over year. If we just look at Fastenal here, for example, the dividend yield sits around 2.37%, which you could argue is not that high. However, if we look at the dividend growth rate over the last 10 years, it's sitting around 14% annually. Now, looking at Texas Instruments, it's pretty much the same deal. Fairly good price appreciation, a dividend yield just shy of 3%, which again, you could argue is not high at all. But when you look at the growth rate over the past 10 years of the dividends, it's sitting just shy of 19%. So those are two holdings that I picked up for the month of June. I'm really excited to see how they perform. And with that said, let's rip through these dividends here. So starting out the month, we got $11.78 from Aflac. Following that is $6.18 from Johnson & Johnson. Then we move on to a tech company, which also has been increasing their dividends a lot year over year, although they do pay a lower yield. This is Microsoft, and they brought in $1.84. ExxonMobil is next at $3.40. Following that, another pharmaceutical company, Eli Lilly, $2.09 is what I got from them. 3M, a company engulfed in a lot of lawsuits right now. The stock price has tanked quite a bit over the past couple of years. Definitely a hold for me right now, but they paid $3.96. Consolidated Edison is next. This is an electrical utility company. I believe it's based on the East Coast of the United States, but they paid 91 cents. Home Depot paid $4.20, one of my favorite stores to go to. Realty Income Corp, this is a big favorite for a lot of dividend investors. It's a monthly paying stock that invests in a lot of commercial real estate assets in the United States, and they brought in $6.07 cents this month. Stag Industrial, this is another monthly paying stock. They invest in industrial types of real estate. Then we got $2.14 from Waste Management. McDonald's, $3.06. BlackRock brought in $7.71. And this company was in the news recently. They filed for a Bitcoin ETF. If you're in the crypto market, you definitely know about this, but just a really interesting story to read about, especially with all the SEC lack of regulatory clarity in the crypto market. But now you have these big financial players stepping in. SPHD, this is a monthly paying ETF. They brought in $7.81. Vanguard's high dividend yielding ETF, VYM, paid a nice $15.36. VTI, another Vanguard ETF. This more follows the S&P 500, so the yield is not going to be as high as something like VYM, but they paid $10.36. Broadcom, a company that I've really enjoyed having in my portfolio, brought in $5.97. And then to round everything off, we got $6.20 from Brookfield Infrastructure Partners. So when we add all those dividends together for June, we get $101.69. So this feels like a really nice milestone, at least for me, because it's the first month that we hit triple digits in dividend income. And I truly could not be more excited for how the future is going to shape up. Compared to last year at this time, we got $75, so we're roughly $25 up. And compared to this time last quarter, we got $92, so we're up about $8 or $9 there as well. So with that said, that is going to wrap up this video. If you would like to share how much you earned this month in dividend income, please drop it in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. I really appreciate all the support from each and every one of you. It really means a lot. I'm so grateful that you take the time out of your day to watch my content, and I appreciate all of you. So with that said, take it easy, and I'll catch you in the next one.